Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Amos, Kester, your favorite animal scientist. We are back here in Ekenwa Road. Remember this project? I did this a few weeks ago, so you can see what it looks like now. It's the poultry structures, the greenhouse, and now we have actually brought in some fish tanks at the back. I'm gradually going to take you in there. Yeah, this is it. I told you the next time we'll be here, the structure is going to look much different. So this is the brooder house. You can see the cages for the deep litter houses have arrived, but they have not been fixed nor installed because the construction work is still ongoing. So this is where we'll be doing the brooding. There are some dogs around the compound just to keep the environment safe from theft and people that will want to hang around this premises. So that's why the dogs are barking. They haven't met me before. So usually when they see a strange face, they get hostile. So these are the cages, the galvanized cages. These are imported ones, only to be fixed. That's what's remaining. So this is the broiler house or the brooder house where we'll be having the day-old chicks coming in. So you can see the pipes for the watering system and also the feeding trays. So when we fix them, we are going to bring you another video to show you how they are. So this is what they look like usually before they are fixed. So you see where the nipple drinkers are going to enter through, the water lets down. So this is where we'll be doing the brooding for 10,000 birds, day-old chicks. This is the scraper, part of the scraper. You will see the other part of it inside. So this is the external part. I'm moving out from the broiler or the brooder house. So this is the greenhouse. Yeah, this is for snail. Remember I told you this place we're doing snail, poultry, grass cutter, pigs, fish and goats. So that's what it is for. So there's a passage between the two buildings, and this is the entrance into the first battery cage house. So you can see the construction is still ongoing. We are not done with it yet. So this is where the cages are going to stand, and this is the runway or the trench for the water. So alright, so you're seeing me now. Actually, I was alone at the farm. The first worker just came in, so I had to give him the camera to help me with. So this is the structure for the first battery cage system. This is where the cages are going to stand. So with this, the runoff, the water will run off from down that way to this part into the wastage. So that's how it has been designed. So this is the partition between the two cages. One will be standing here, one will be standing here. So from here you can actually pick eggs along this line, and you can also pick eggs along this line. So move closer so they can see the scraper. Now this is the scraper that will take out the waste. So I showed you part of it over there, and this is the other part of it. So this scrapes all the waste down from that side to this part of it and takes everything out. So that's the way it has been designed. So this system is automated. So we are actually showing you in phases. The first phase, you can see we are not done. We are not done with this, but now we are actually through with most of the work, but we still have a lot to cover. So that's the way it is designed. So we are going to take you to the next building and show you exactly how we have progressed on that part as well, because we are taking it step by step. It's a gradual process. Alright, so we're going out from the first cage out. to the next one. So we are back on the passage. So this is the next cage house. So this is the entrance. So you can see the way it is here. We are not done. So most of the work is still ongoing. So it's just a work in progress. But in the next 1 month, hopefully we should be installing the cages and trying to see how to put everything together. So this is what it looks like. You've seen the difference from the battery cage house and the deep litter house. Alright, so we have similar structure over there, and this little one is for our grass cutter production. So this is the entrance to the grass cutter house. It's just built for 500 capacity, 500 colonies of grass cutter. So we'll take you through the back and show you the mobile ponds, because it's an integrated system we have here. Alright, so this is the back side. We have 10 of these. These are mobile ponds. They are called mobile ponds because you can actually move them about. If we don't want them in this position, we can take them out and take them somewhere else. So that's why they are called mobile ponds, or poly ponds, or tarpaulin ponds as some may call them. So we have about 10 of these, and each of these will take 1,000 fishes. So that way you don't have to excavate the ground, you don't have to build blocks, you don't have to do anything, but you can actually raise your fishes on mobile ponds like this that are well constructed. So this is the much we have done. Like I said, we are still going to come back with the pig production and the goat farm as well. The whole of that space of land you have there is for both construction of the pigs and also for the goats. So this is what we have here. The broiler session, which is going to be for brooding for the day-old chicks, for the layers. Then once the layers have gone to the cages, we can now use that structure for broiler production. So you don't have to build another house for broilers. So should in case you want to do broiler and layer together, you only need one structure or two structures for the broilers, depending on how many birds you have as targets to produce. So the structure you use in brooding your day-old chicks, which are the pullets, you can use that structure for your broilers. All you need to do is wait until the pullets are off the ground to the cages. They will be in the cages for 13 months laying eggs. So between that period of 13 months, you can use the brooder house where you did the brooding for the chicks for your broiler production. So you don't need to go and build another structure for broilers when you have a brooder house for your day-old chicks. So that's the way it has been designed. So it's dual purpose, the deep litter house. First, we use it for brooding the pullets, and secondly, we use it for broiler production as production continues. So until we come your way again, we are still in Benin. Here is Ekenwa Road, off Ekenwa Road, and the name of the community is Ubuyoko. Yeah, Ubuyoko. That's where we are actually. So if you want to reach out to us, you want to build your own poultry farm, all you have to do is give us a call on our phone number +2348 068 525032. God bless you and bye-bye. Yeah, you want to do that? Oh, maybe yeah.